on. Let me pick up the phone real quick. All right, wow. Guys, what's up? Sorry, I had to pick up the phone because it was low to the ground, like this lowrider 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Awesome little setup here, it really is. We're gonna go around and show you the insides first right here. Interior is beautiful. The bed, besides the crumbled up mat that I put in there, right there. First thing you can see, obviously this thing is slammed, it's dropped, but it's practical. You can drive it. It's got some custom little stripe work going all the way down in the back. I'll show you in a second. Cool part about it, it's nice and level. It's like 2 fingers, maybe 3 fingers, I would say. Barely fit 3 fingers in there. American Racing Torque Thrust D, I want to say. Maybe they are. Correct me in the comments if they're something different. Wheels. And these are a 20-inch American Racing chrome wheel. A little bit of pitting, you can see, obviously, but, you know, the face is really nice. The chrome's not really peeling off the sides anywhere you can see it. They're wrapped with a 275 55-20 Cooper Discover HT tire. I would say with about, I don't know, 30%, 35, probably 40% tread on all 4 corners. And this sucker is low to the ground. Here's my leg, and it's probably, here's my kneecap. Here's the bottom of the bumper, and it's halfway up my kneecap and my leg. That's where the truck sits. So that's just to give you an idea. Go around to the side, no body damage at all. I mean, it's, besides a few small spots, very minor spots right there. It's in really good shape. Dual Borla exhaust system. Sounds fantastic. Hope you guys heard the beginning of the video. If you like it, carbon fiber wrap decals. Here's the stripes I was telling you guys about. It looks really cool. It's a custom, nice little truck right here, and it's gonna be priced very aggressively too. There's the other wheel right here, okay? Tires in good shape. Body looks good, frame looks good. No damage to the outside. Here's the roof. And we'll do the last tire right there. And the wheel. So, there you have it. There's the inside. Can't really get too low, can't see. It is 2-wheel drive, but I can't really figure out what the suspension is. Probably, can't put my finger on it. The suspension's up there, and they explained how it's dropped. So, man, I'm getting lightheaded from leaning over and running around. Anywho, let's get on with the interior and explain a little bit about the truck. I'll do a startup for you guys right now again, so you can hear it again. Ready? Oh, no remote start, sorry. Miles are, clap my feet, miles. It's got 84,370 maintained miles. Doubled in Sony CD player, or stereo Bluetooth player. Flip up seat right here in the center console, so you can put your boys and everybody riding deep. It's clean back there, clean in there. Start it up, ready? Check it out. So it sounds pretty tough. Let's get to the power plant, show you guys what's going on. The interior, the seats are nice shape. The door jambs are. Here's the VIN number right there, so you guys can check it out and research it. Spectra, whatever that is, I don't know, to be honest with you. I'll research it when I get back to the office. Back seat, door jambs are good. Up the hood, show you the power plant. Inspection's good. And we'll check this out. It's super clean engine bay. Fluids are super nice and clean. Looks to me, in my opinion, like it's been very well maintained. Look at the truck. Shiny K&N cold air filter intake system. Filter looks brand damn new. Vortec 5.3 engine, I believe it is. It's just a solid truck, guys. It really is. It's nice. So there he is. Hope you guys like it. If you want more information on this truck, it is for sale. It will be going on the website in about 30 minutes. You can call the main office, 540-898-3025. That's 540-898-3025, or visit superiorwholesale.org. You can also visit our Facebook site, facebook.com/Superior Buy Sell Trade, I believe it is. Hope you guys like this video. This slammed, lowered, low rider. Check it out. All right, see you later.